hope it bites you. I hope it, I hope it bites you. Leave him alone. Huh? Huh? He's injured? Oh God. Oh God, bird rescue. Bird rescue. How is he injured?
How should I know, Kitty? I'm not allowed to catch him. Maybe something eat.
Oh
You
God.
notice it.
What do I do?
That's noticing body.
Maybe he's not injured. Maybe you're just
He
messing
injured. You
with
think we
him.
could catch him?
You want to put him in the water?
No, I said we eat him. Look on the wing. There's no wing break. Just
Put
look
him
on
down.
the wing.
Put him down.
Oh, yeah, we can't hold him. He will pick you, know. This is a seagull. You see?
Ooh, ooh.
Look here, sir.
That
Look on
wing,
this wing.
yes, it
It will-
looks limp. It looks limp.
I'm going to let him go back.
So you want to take him home?
Don't know what's wrong with him. Don't know.
So that makes me very sad. Huh? He's trying. I came here to relax, and now that makes me sad. Because we love animals, like all animals, too much. I have a drumstick. This is gonna be a beach drumstick mukbang thing, really quick, and then I'll go in the sea. I'm gonna try and enjoy myself even though there's an injured seagull beside me. There's no animal resources that you can really call in this area, so it's not like we can call for help, and we don't have the expertise to nurse seagulls. I think it's a seagull, I'm not sure. But there's a fly in there. I think it's gonna eat Dad. We're just gonna do a mukbang thing. I don't really know. I don't even know what to talk about. When I was in school, I'm gonna talk loudly. When I was in school, they used to have caramel drumsticks. With caramel in the center. And I haven't seen it in a good, I would say about 10 years. I see and hear people. I'm talking about prep school, like when 14 years. I haven't had the caramel drumstick. It's my favorite drumstick. It's a drumstick, if you didn't know. It's ice cream covered in nuts and chocolate. This one is just plain vanilla. Nobody likes nut one. Everybody wants either chocolate or caramel. I'm gonna try and, like, I don't know, send good energy to that seagull. I don't know if it will help. I'm living between anything's possible and what will be must be. I'm in between those two things. But yeah, I don't have much to talk about. There's a chance that I might be moving back to the States soon. Bittersweet. Gotta start my life, but very afraid. Oh, I can show my parents' silhouette. Look at them. Look at them. Oh my God. Look at them. I'm bathing in the sunlight. See the seagull over there? It's just breaking my heart. Here's the thing. A lot of people tell me that I have my content is too much around animals, and I don't really plan on being like an animal person on the internet. But I think the reason why is because then it's a big part of my life. Whether I don't really go out to find animals, but they find me and they're a big part of my life in some way. And there's always an animal and an animal story, and it's like the older I get, the more I get more in love with the animals, and the more hurt I get if I see a hurt animal. It's like it just gets worse with age. Probably gonna go home and cry about the bird. Do you like my headband? Yeah, I don't really know what to say. Animals are a big thing. They're not like my whole life, my whole existence, the way it may seem on social media. But because they're so present in my life, yeah, I film them and things always happen. I'm gonna finish this. I don't know what else to talk about though. A lot's been happening, but not much that I feel like I can share on camera. Probably can't hear me over the waves. I washed my hair. Kind of hoping to get my life on track when I go back to the States. Ooh. It looks like a seagull's flying at me, but he's not. I keep filming my parents. They are being cute. Yeah, I'm gonna close out soon because I don't know what to say. I hope you're okay if you're watching this. Scary times right now. I hope me eating this ice cream isn't awkward. It's kind of an awkward vlog. I hope you're okay. I hope if you're not okay, many of us are not okay. I hope you find closure with your situation and peace with your situation, whatever it is. There's chocolate on my face. It's awkward. I don't like it. Yeah, I just hope you're okay and everything kind of works out in your favor. And if you're worrying about anything in particular, that you get a sign that everything is okay. All is well. That's the end of this vlog. I'm wearing the same swimsuit I was wearing in the last one. But you know. Parents just staring at me, talking about me. Fun fact, I don't like the water. I don't like the sea. I don't like pools. I know it seems like I do, and I'm a whole beach girl, but I'm not. I happen to live close to the sea, so I take advantage of it, and I love it because it's beautiful, but going in has always been a fear for me. My dad read somewhere when I was a baby that if you drop babies in the sea or in a pool, they'll float. He tried that with me, but I was too old, and I just freaked out, and I never really ventured back into the sea or into pools. I was never really like a big swimmer. I actually can't swim still. I can't swim. But I want to learn someday. It's only in this past year that I've actually been coming and going into the sea. I'm kind of trying to relax. Not swim, but just relax. I go in the shallow end. The shallow here. So That's a fear I'm trying to overcome. But anyway, maybe there. Hope you enjoyed this awkward vlog. As I was saying before, if you're going through anything, I always say that in videos, because every time I come across like a person in my life, they're always going through something, or they're always kind of struggling with something internally. I rarely come across people that say that they're fine and like mean it. So that's why whenever I do turn on the camera, I always kind of assume that someone could be watching who isn't really having a great day or a great time, or is struggling with something. Also, I'm struggling with things internally, so yeah, I just kind of try and put out energy of like healing, and just letting people know, kind of like as a sign from the universe, you're okay, everything's okay. That thing you're worrying about, stop worrying about it. It's not worth it. Just relax and try to enjoy your life. I'm gonna go in the sea. And relax.
Oh, you can't see. If you see, then... Kizzy? Kizzy? Let me see, Mommy.
Update on the bird. A whole family has come over to save him. A dad and his two daughters, and they're saving him. Oh, look at that in the sky. I don't know if you can see that. Everything is beautiful. Everything. Look at the sun. Look at that. So I think they're nursing him back to health. Maybe they were doing it this whole time and we didn't realize, because maybe he's been here all day and it looks like they live here on the beach. So don't worry about the bird. The bird's okay. And I also did long distance Reiki, so I think he's getting all the help he can get right now. Closing out. Bye.